Hello students, how are you? Hopefully you are doing well. Welcome to UK Chemistry Academy. As you know that we are solving the past paper of chemistry. So our today's MCQs is about organic chemistry. Now let's come to the statement. Which of these polymer is a protein? You have to identify the polymer of protein. There are four options of polymer which are given here. First of all, you must know that protein are formed by the combination of amino acids. What is the formula of amino acids? The general formula of amino acid is R. Here R is the alkyl group, single bond C, single bond H, single bond C, double O H, and single bond NH2. There are two groups in the amino acids. The first one is carboxylic group, that is acidic, and the other one is amino group. That's why this molecule will be called amino acid. When this molecule combine with each other to form a polymer, and that polymer will be called protein. So the protein is made up of four kinds of elements. The first element is carbon, the second element is hydrogen, and the third element is oxygen, and the fourth element is nitrogen. So there are four kinds of elements in the protein. Now let's come to the option, the alpha option. The alpha option polymer contains carbon, hydrogen, and chlorine. No, it is not a polymer of protein because it contains the chlorine, and chlorine does not present in the polymer of protein. The beta option, carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. No, there is a missing of nitrogen atom in this polymer. That's why we cannot say that it is the polymer of protein. The Charlie option, carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Still the same reason, there is no nitrogen atom in this polymer. So we cannot say that it is the formula of polymer of protein. The delta option is consist of carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, and oxygen. So it is made up of four kinds of elements, and that four kinds of elements are carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, and oxygen. So definitely it will be the formula of polymer of protein. Hopefully you get it. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.